Let me ask you something. Are you planning to move your accounting system from QuickBooks, Xero, or Tally to Zoho Books? Maybe your business has grown. Maybe your current accounting process is becoming difficult to manage. Or maybe you want a more connected finance system for better controlling and reporting. But here's an important part. Migration is not just about moving data. It is about setting up your accounting system correctly for the future. Many businesses think migration is simple, like export from your old software and import it to Zoho Books and start using it. But in reality, if the migration is not planned properly, your chart of accounts may not align, your opening balance may not match, your invoices, bills may be incomplete, and the payments may not link correctly. Tax settings can be confusing, and the reports may show wrong numbers. And your accounting system is not accurate, your business decisions will not be accurate either. That's why at Zentegra, we follow a structured accounting migration process. So whether you're moving from QuickBooks, Xero, or Tally to Zoho Books, we don't just migrate data. We set up, we implement, import, validate, train, and take your system live with confidence. Hi, I'm Vijay, and today I'll show you a complete process of how we actually do the migration. So let's start with the step one, which is initial consultation. So before we begin, we understand your business, your accounting process, and your current platform. Like, are you using QuickBooks, Xero, or Tally, or any other platforms? And what data do you want to actually migrate? And what reports do you want to be dependent on? And what problems are currently being faced? Because every business has a different accounting structure. So we don't just start with the migration, we start with understanding your business. And step two, we do a data assessment and mapping. Here we review your existing accounting system very carefully, like the chart of accounts, the customers, vendors, items, services, the taxes, opening balances, invoices, bills, payments, and transactions. We map the important things into Zoho Books because QuickBooks, Tally, Xero, or Zoho Books may structure the data differently. And clean mapping creates a clean migration. And clean migration creates a accurate financial records. Next, step 3 is Zoho Books setup and implementation. So before importing the actual data, we configure the Zoho Books properly for your business, like the organization profile, the taxes, chart of accounts, users and roles, invoice templates, payment terms, bank-related integrations, automation preferences, reporting structure. And this step is very important because migration into an incorrectly configured system can create problems later. A successful migration needs strong Zoho Books foundation. Step 4 is the master and opening balance import. This is where we bring the foundation data like the customers, vendors, items, services, the chart of accounts, opening balances, outstanding receivables, and outstanding payables. So this gives Zoho Books the starting point of your accounting system. If your master data and opening balances are correct, your accounting starts correctly. Step 5 is the transactions import. So now we have imported the master data. Now we will be importing the historical and active business transactions into Zoho Books, like the invoices, bills, payments which has received, vendor payments, credit notes, debit notes, expenses, bank transactions. We make sure your transactions are imported in correct structure and connected properly. This is where your financial history moves into Zoho Books. And next, step 6 is the validation and quality check. After the import, we verify the data very carefully. Are the opening balances matching? Are the invoices and bills correct? Are the customers and vendor balance accurate? Our payments are linked properly and the taxes are calculated correctly and the financial reports matching. So after doing a thorough check of this is where we compare the old system with Zoho Books and identify if there's any mismatch. Our goal is simple: accurate data, reliable reports, and complete confidence. Step 7 is final review, training, and go live. So once everything is validated, we review the system with your team. We explain the data which has been migrated, we walk through the daily accounting processes, we train your users, we answer the questions, and we prepare your Zoho Book system for live usage. Then your business is ready to operate confidently into Zoho Books. So this is where the migration becomes a fully working accounting system. Now imagine this is your business. Your accounting system is properly configured, your masters are clean, your opening balances are accurate, your transactions are imported, your reports are verified, and your team is trained. So no confusion, no messy migration, no broken reports. That's how you move from an old accounting software to Zoho Books with confidence. So if you're planning to migrate from QuickBooks, Xero or Tally or any other softwares to Zoho Books, don't do it blindly. Do it with the right process. At Zentegra, we help businesses migrate safely, accurately, and confidently. DM Migrate to get started. Link is in the bio. See you. Bye-bye.